can it still do a burnout?
Like a beginner. What the fuck? You're gonna jump.
Good day to have a good day.
Good day to have a good day. Ready for tomorrow.
That's it. That's it.
Go.
There we go. At Roof of Africa, getting all our stuff ready. Matt's there in the background, filming for his OnlyFans. So subscribe to OnlyFans here. We yeah, getting all our stuff ready. Registration just started now, so we're gonna go down and get some cool content and stuff. Speak to the boys, see who's getting ready. Today is more of a chill day. I think everybody's just getting their registration and that done. So yeah, follow this, the Motor South Africa and Triumph Racing ZA, right here. Follow those pages for all our content. We'll be posting reels daily on there, and by now you guys seeing this, the reels will already be live, so go give it a like there. And Matt, so what's your plans?
And I'm gonna be out on the FX following Sharon and stuff, so hopefully I get some cool content. Hopefully I don't drown my bike. Hopefully I see someone drown a bike, because the last time I was in Lesotho I drowned a brand new KTM, so that was good.
Yeah. No, please, let's not drown bikes today. We'll get Vian, you doing a burnout, so we probably will cut to the footage right now. Of him doing a burnout, because we've already scumbagged him into starting the chaos at the parade, so we'll see you guys in there.
So yeah, Kevin Sanders. So yeah, this one's for Manny. I recently watched your video about balancing work life and recently becoming a dad and all that. I think, how's does your motivation, do you think, change, or if it has changed at all, going in forward?
Yeah, thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for watching that. Appreciate it. Nah, pretty cool. Like it's quite cool to see this YouTube thing starting, which is pretty cool, because I always wanted to do something for the outside. I didn't want it to like vlog and all, or do something like just all the time, like more or less like low quality, and it worked out pretty good to show some proper insights. And like you said, it's quite difficult to balance life sometimes with private life, with racing, with like everything inside, and becoming a dad in end of Jan. So this is quite a hectic time right now. Me and my wife actually got married this year, so this is still pretty strange to say, but yeah, it's quite cool. It's hectic. Like if you guys haven't seen the episodes, definitely watch it. It's on my YouTube channel. It's all about like living out of a bag, like how crazy racing can be. Like you always see the cool things, you know, like most of the guys, they see the good things about traveling and racing, and like, oh, it's such a cool place as you go to so many things. I came here yesterday with like a 24 hours travel, straight from the airport into a rental car to here, straight into this today, testing a bike press, and we fly home on like Sunday afternoon again. So there is not a lot of things what you see, except of like sometimes the hotel, the place around where you ride with the motorbike, and it's quite cool. But I'm trying to enjoy it more, and the motivation at the beginning of the year was not there, because if you won everything, I had a perfect season. I won a bunch of World Championship races. I won Erzberg, I won Romaniacs, and what's the motivation to keep me up? It's sometimes really hard to say. And then we didn't have a World Championship, so thanks a lot to Ross and the guys to like jump in and to build something up again, which I think next year will be pretty good. But you're there and you're questioning yourselves, like, why I'm doing this? And I wasn't really sure if I'm still keen to ride motorbikes, and I'm only 27, but we're here. I absolutely love it. And now definitely is also a different story, because I can ride for my kid, I can ride for my family, and it's still a pretty cool way to make money and tell that's my job. Like, I'm a Hard Enduro rider who fucking rides around the world. So. Here we go.
Right, guys and brothers, hello and welcome. Today is officially the first day of Reef Africa. We're here at the time trial. We're in the motor van with Taki, and yeah, should be a good day. So from here we're gonna head to the Gold Started Music Box and get some content of them as well, basically following them along for the prologue. It should be a good day. Sun is shining and vibing and vibes basically.
Yeah, Matt Green just warming up, getting those jitters out.
Kirsten normally comes in now. She tells us what we're doing wrong. Kirsten, we need an update here about why is Matt warming up, bro, when he's already hot. Are you doing a vlog?
Well, either or, yeah.
I'm on a vlog one day.
You want to
I
be
want to be on
vlog?
your vlog. All the chicks out there, hi, name's D-Gray Single. Find me on Tinder.
What did you at the shelter on Saturday?
Yes, yeah, I'm going actually straight from the roof and go straight to the shelter.
Yeah.
Not too sure which one, but I'll be there. Kirsten will be helping me out. We feed the dogs. Yeah. We go to the shelter in Cape Town.
Animal shelter? Or
Yes,
women's
because
Women's shelter.
I hope we got a second one. Let's go to the first one first, then we have pictures for the second one.
Feel sad for those that don't know you.
Exactly.
Like a beginner. What the fuck?
You're gonna jump.
Matt, what do you think about the step down, the Gold Start?
Dude, I want my downhill bike. I'm going to go back to Joburg and fetch my downhill bike. This is insane. I'm going to be very impressed if the guys are able to get back up this thing. It is steep, man. Steep plus that.
Just finished his time trial. Give us a bit of an insight of how today went for you.
What's up, guys? Time trial was so sweet. Really flowing kind of fast to just get the iron. Bike worked perfectly, had no issues. Managed to pick my way through the guys and come in a decent pace. So super happy for the day and can't wait to get going in the mountains.
Hey, there we go. Back with the uncle. Uncle's driving. We missioning now to the DSP's Spectator Point 4, about a 30-minute drive. Luckily tar roads this time, so not too unwell. But we're sending it, Uncle.
We're sending it. We got some nice views over here. It's looking vibey.
All the views.
All the views.
This video might not get as much views, but at least we have the views here.
At least it's mental. At least we just have our own views. It's alright. It's alright.
There we go. There we go. So let's get to the Spectator Point DSP4. There we go. Another update after a hell of a long of a mission to try and find a good spectator point. We found this spot in the mountains. Little bit of a tech, not too hectic, just after the refueling. They're coming down this ridge all the way through, and then yeah, they come down and up here, out, back into the mountains. So yeah, let's see how the guys do.
Wow, the last like 30k is just like my arms got heavy. It was good, it was good. Good day.
Good day to have a good day.
Good day to have a good day. Ready for tomorrow.
That's it, that's
Let's
it. Good morning, another early start. Last day of Roof of Africa. We're super stoked. The South Africans have been doing so well, but today is a bit more shorter but technical stage. Yeah, super excited to see what happens, see how the guys perform, if they can hold up the pace and keep with these guys. I've got my new Uber driver here, Manuel.
Oh, fuck.
Yay!
It's too early, eh?
It's too early. This guy's in had coffee and nothing, but yeah, we're on our way to Music Box to see the start, and then I think we can maybe get 1 or 2 spectator points, and then the overall finish, catch some podiums. But just look at these views. Views for days. Views for days. Cool. Here we go, the boys got Cindy. You can see some of the off-road. Lean back, just pull gas, the hang cable, all of that came through. The boys are off into the mountains. We're probably the only fast bit they're going to get today, so it's a little bit more techy, so let's go chase the tech. Can it still do a burnout? Here we go, I'm here with the 5th place silver winner over here. Easy.
Easy work.
Yes, like
Not even a sweat.
not even a sweat, not even dirty. Yeah, they went over the fastest mullet. This guy's the fastest mullet.
That mullet was cocked.
What a day. Got to see some epic riding. Well, throughout the week we saw some epic riding. Great end. Thanks Manny for the burnout. No, that's basically it. Roof 2025 done and dusted. We're out here. Thanks for watching until this part. If you're watching till this part, consider subscribing, liking. There we go.
Daai roete was dit vir hulle in Afrikaans gesê kag lekker.